Woohoo! Let's get our drink on! An orange flavored club soda just gives it such a beautiful taste. Complements the red wine really well. Hey guys, it's the Keto King here. Today I've got a really quick and awesome video for you. I'm going to show you how to make Keto Sangria. Alright, so what's the first thing we need here? We of course need some wine. Now, is wine keto? Well, if you have any questions about alcohol and what alcohol to drink, I've got a really comprehensive video which I'll put a link to in the top corner of the screen. But for this video, we've got to choose the right red wine to drink. Now generally the sugar levels vary between types of wine, but a dry red is what you should go for. That generally has lower sugar levels, and you're looking for a dry wine like a Cab Sav, like I've got here, a Cabernet Sauvignon. That should have approximately 3.5 grams of sugar per 5-ounce pour. Obviously you want to chill this wine before you make this Keto Sangria, so pop this wine into the fridge before making it. So grab your bottle of wine and pour that directly into a beautiful carafe like this. Then what we're going to use, and this is where the real trick comes in, instead of using any orange juice or anything that's got far too many calories in, we're going to use a club soda or a sparkling water that is lightly flavored but has 0 calories and of course 0 carbs or 0 sugar in it. Now this is the one I've got here. It's an orange flavored club soda by Canada Dry. Now if you look on the back, it is 0 grams of carbs, 0 sugar, and 0 calories. It says it's naturally flavored. It's got a nice gentle orange flavor to it, which suits this sangria perfectly, especially if you're adding some orange pieces into the sangria. Using 1 can of this sparkling water or club soda to 1 bottle of wine. Alright, and then you're going to bring over some of your fruit. Now here is where you can choose what you want, what you don't want in here. Obviously the lower carb fruits are these blueberries and the strawberries. You could put raspberries in. Really anything works here. However, remember, you don't necessarily have to eat the fruit in the sangria. So even if you wanted to put higher carb fruits in, such as this mandarin orange or these apples, you absolutely can. Just try and resist not eating that fruit at the bottom of the sangria. You can still get those beautiful flavors that come from having the fruit in the sangria and not ingest all the majority of the carbohydrates from that fruit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a few of these apples in here. Just simply drop them in the top. I'm going to add in a few of the oranges. I really haven't added a lot of fruit, and look how good it looks. I mean, it looks like I've got plenty of fruit in there. And you end up with some Keto Sangria like this. Okay, and of course we're going to do a taste test time. So let's get to drinking this Keto Sangria. Alright. So there we are, guys. Take a look at this. I mean, that's pretty decent, right? Nice glass of wine. You could hold this around at a party, drinking it. You're not feeling like you're depriving yourself because you're on keto. Looks fantastic. And definitely this is something you can offer to your non-keto friends. I guarantee you they will love it. I do this all the time with my friends at events. I say, hey, I'll make the Keto Sangria if that's what you guys want to drink. And then I make this keto version of the sangria and everyone loves it. So let's give us a quick taste test. I mean, that is fantastic. Probably the only downside to this is it tastes so good you can probably drink a little too much of this. Of course, there is still carbs in here, so you can't go crazy, but this is a wonderful keto alternative to your regular sangria. An orange flavored club soda just gives it such a beautiful taste. Complements the red wine really well. And then of course I've got some of the apple and a few of the other pieces of fruit lying at the bottom. Again, even if you don't eat that, perfectly fine, you're still getting some of those flavors from those fruits. Now I've got a few other keto drinks, so if you really enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button below and let me know in the comment section if you want some more keto alcoholic options for you guys on a keto lifestyle. Two of my other keto alcohol versions are the Keto Mexican Bulldog, or otherwise known as the Beer Garita, and the other one is a Keto Old Fashioned. So let me know in the comment section below which one of those you'd like to see next. You voted on this one, the Keto Sangria, and you got it. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Keto King channel so you don't miss any new keto videos just like this one. And of course, keep it keto.